some more tools off of Amazon, and let's see what came in. So I picked up another carbide burr set. It says that it's tungsten, metal, and all that. But this is the 1/8 inch shank for my rotary tool. I'm not sure how much I got this for, but I'll post some prices. I don't think this is much. It's just a 10-piece set. It's a nice little case. And then I did pick up another one, but I believe it's the same thing. It didn't come in the, I don't think it's the same brand as this, but it is a 10-piece as well. Yeah, it seems like it's got all the same things. But yeah, this one was for my girl for her jewelry making. Seems like decent quality. See how good they hold up. It doesn't look too bad. And next up, I picked up some Astro sockets from Astro Pneumatics. I heard good things about their sockets. This is a 3/8 drive SAE. These are the shallow sockets. They're called nanos, I guess. As you can see, they are definitely really shallow. Comes on a nice little rail. Nice lettering as well, and it is also stamped. So yeah, I don't think these were very much. I think these were a good price. So it does come with a quarter, the 9/32, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, and 11/16, and a 3/4. So nice little set. And I also did pick up the metrics as well. This one comes on a nice blue rail. I love blue. But here's all the sizes. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So there are no skips, which is really nice. I like that blue. Nice little addition. Let's do this. Let's see. a stay metric bolt set that I picked up. Comes with some Allens, but it's the round head, or the button heads. Those are all the sizes it comes with. Unexpected compressor. Looks like they're all bagged up. But it's nice to have the button heads. So yeah, it comes with what, M2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s, and the washers as well with the nuts. And lastly, what is this? Is now. This is a set of standard heater coils. I picked up the metrics, so I figured I'd get the standards as well. So. Taps seem fairly decent. Usually there's always some rubber with the metal that sticks around. I forgot what it's called, but there's a word for it. These are pretty decent. Well, it's just nice to have. No need to spend on the expensive brands. But I guess that's it for that. So next up, I picked up a couple things at Home Depot. Got this 22-ounce framing hammer. Seems like a really nice piece. Said it's made in Taiwan. It's got the milled face on it, and the magnetic nail setter. It's got like a anti-vibe handle on it, what they call a shock shield grip. So that was 26 bucks on sale. Not too bad. And then I picked up the 15-piece cobalt drill bit set. It's got the quad edge tip on it. Those are the sizes. They do make larger kits, but it's got the flat edge shanks, so less spinning in the drill. Got that nice tip on there for, you know, what, the less walking on the metal surface. So hopefully these hold up. Got this for 35 bucks, so not bad. Alright, so got a couple things from Harbor Freight. Let's check it out. This first up, this was on sale for I think $2.99. It's nice to keep in the car. A little tubeless tire repair kit. Comes with a little razor and the rubber cement. Picked up some D-ring anchors. These were $1.99 a piece. And I got some more axle straps. These were only $5 a piece. I got two others, but nice to have when we tow to go to Pennsylvania, go to Carlisle. And this is a fairly new item. by the time I upload this video. I don't know if it's gonna be new anymore, but it's a Gordon brand. It's a stainless steel pocket knife. Figure I could carry this, you know, at work and get rid of the Milwaukee razor. But it's nice because it's got like a seatbelt cutter on there, you know, window breaker, you know, for an emergency or whatnot. But this was only, I want to say, $14.99. Get it out the wrapping. Compared to the other Harbor Freight stuff, this is wrapped pretty good. Yeah, I like the blade on it. It's no bigger than my palm, so it shouldn't be an issue carrying this. But it definitely seems like it's constructed well. I don't know how good the blade is, but that's not a good example, but of course not. Seems pretty sharp. Not a bad little pickup. But what I really wanted was this new item as well. It's a Bauer variable speed rotary tool. It is corded. And it does come with some accessories as well. It's in a little case. But it's from 4,000 to 20,000 RPM. Some dimensions. This was $29.99. So hopefully it's not too bad. We'll see how it works out. Let's get into this. Alright, so I got it unboxed. And definitely decent cord on it. It is, what did it say, 6.5 feet long. So that should be nice. Feels good in the hand, like especially if you're trying to like be precise with it. And here's the case. All the little accessories, buffing wheels and sanding discs, and some rotary bits, I guess. Assuming that'd be for wood. It's a couple wire wheels. Does come with an extra, what do they call those? I guess the head or whatever it is. And the collet as well in there. So that's nice. Because the collet on my Milwaukee, the M12, that's broken, so I can't really take the bit out of it. And I haven't seen that they sell those collets for that separately. So let's get this thing powered on. Let's hear it. That's a little button. Let's make sure this thing's tight. So it's got the lock button there, which Hopefully you don't end up pressing by accident. So it's got 5 modes. Yeah, seems to handle that pretty well. I think it'll be nice for the smaller projects.